Hey guys, welcome back to Digital 6 Cover. Appreciate you showing up. And the flowers in the back are for Valentine's Day for my pretty wife, 20 years. And then the kids got her one as well. So I'll be setting those on the kitchen thing here in a shortly before I go to bed, so it'll surprise her in the morning. But happy Valentine's Day to all you Valentine's people out there. But reason for the video. So did a video yesterday shooting through 11 sheets of drywall. We had the 300 blackout. We had the HST round that basically filled up with drywall, did not expand. We had the 55 grain, I believe this to be a Federal. This is a core bonded bullet. I did weigh it. It lost a hair, lost a couple grains off of it, but did a perfect job of mushrooming. This round actually performed better than the 9mm did, the 40 frangible, and the 300 blackout. Now this is a full metal jacket, so you know it definitely has a lot of energy going, but I was surprised that it went through the 6x6. But on this video, I took more sheets, 30 sheets of drywall. Now some of you guys are like, you know, it's not hitting 2x4s and it's not hitting this and that. Well, if you have a stud like this, and it's only 2 inches wide, say you accidentally shoot through a wall, your options of hitting a stud are basically 1 in 16, right? Depending on how you frame the house. So with that said, I figured, you know what? It's not about the 2x4. It's not about the piping and the plumbing and a little bit of insulation, but that's what X-Ring's video, more scientific-y kind of stuff is. So I put 30 sheets of drywall together, which was quite a bit. I had to use 2 clamps. You might have heard me talking about this earlier. But I put the 6x6 behind that. And these results were even more shocking. So hope you enjoy the video. Make sure if you like this channel, you guys and gals, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if not. I do want my channel to grow so that more people can learn silly stuff like how many sheets of drywall a certain round might go through. But I always appreciate you guys commenting below. Tell me what you think.
All right, you guys, we are back at it. It went through, a lot of them went through the into the 6x6. The 300 went all the way through. We're going to put 30 sheets of drywall to see if it works out. We're going to start off with the HST 9mm and just see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow out the side, so we'll try to aim and shoot well. The sides didn't blow out, so we should be good. This gun is clear. All right, we are back with the 300 blackout. Let's see what happens. Full metal jacket. All right, now we're going to shoot the 223, see what happens. Core bonded. It is clear. So far, nothing's blown out the sides. Got to give that all to my instructor. X-Ring. Dun, da, da, da. All right, we're actually going to try the frangible 40. We're going to put it up here on top and see what this does. All right. I saw the wood in the back move. This gun is clear. No?
It blew out here on the side.
Oh, it blew out on that side?
Hit the wood and then your truck.
Oh yeah, look at that hole right in the back of your
Actually
tailgate.
nicked that and ricocheted that way.
Tear it down.
All right.
That's where they went.
Let's tear it down, see what happened.
I hooked up that truck by the bank. His house is right over there.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Man, that's a 2-2-3, right? That thing's got some kick. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, four. Uh-oh. There we go. So we got bullets in this one. This would be the 40 went out, so it'd be the 2-2-3. So we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then the tough part's going to be, let's just snap this in half. I think it's right here. There it is. So what did I say this was? I'll have to count. So we're 1, 2, 3. Went to this one.
15.
15, 16,
18.
7, 18 sheets of drywall with the 223 core bonded, and it is perfectly mushroomed up. Again, it did what it's supposed to do. So, only thing left is
309
the 9mm that's gone through. Is this the 9mm?
No. It's 300 blackout.
300 blackout. Okay, so here's 9mm. 9mm, 300, still going strong. Oh, look at that.
So that's a 300 blackout.
Supposed to be.
And the 9mm is still in the last four.
So which one? The 40 cals was shot out, not the 300 blackout. Yeah. So 2 rounds here. So that means that the 9mm is right here somewhere.
Oh, what's that? Right there. Nope.
Well, I know it stopped to there, and it didn't go through that paper. Huh. So, 30 minus 4 sheets, basically.
26.
26. That was the last ones. No, so it's actually 28. I did it the other way because it's coming this way. 28 sheets.
Good luck. That's a long bullet. Need a pair of vice grips.
I'll just leave it in there. There it is. Unless that bullet fell somewhere. Man, that's pretty crazy how many will go through. It should be right there.
So, I see a.
Did it break on the 40 hole? Oh, it'd be right here.
Yeah, it'd be right there. You broke the wrong thing.
I broke the wrong thing. All right, so this is like that.
Flip it around so we can read it. Or you can't. There's no thing on it.
So this would be, I actually was looking at the 300 blackout.
Or the 223. This was the 223, wasn't it?
No,
Oh, 300 blackout
Yeah.
going through.
yeah. So let's try to break this apart. Got it? There it is right there. So that is caught in what would be
29th, right?
29th sheet right there. And there it is. Let's dig it out. And that is the 9mm
HST.
HST. But it's full of drywall, no expansion. There you go. In case you guys were wondering. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks again to the X-Ring channel and Trunk Monkey Reviews for helping out.